In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect emails using Manychat in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step to ensure you get a comprehensive understanding of the process. By the end of this session, you will be ready to set up an automated email collection in Manychat effortlessly. First, let's get started by heading over to Manychat's website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Manychat, or simply click on the provided link if you're following along with any additional materials. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing we need to do is sign in. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click it. Use your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for this tutorial, we're assuming you already have one set up. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Manychat home. This is your dashboard where you can manage all of your Manychat activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Once you're comfortable, navigate to the Home tab. This is where you will start creating the automation that will help you collect emails seamlessly. Now it's time to create a new automation. Locate and click on New Automation. This button might be labeled differently depending on your version or setup, but generally it's under the Automation Options or Tools section. Clicking this will open a new menu where various automation types are listed. Next, you'll want to select the Basic option. Choosing the basic automation type is perfect for starting off. It provides a straightforward setup process without any unnecessary complications, ideal for when you're focusing on a specific task like email collection. With the basic automation selected, you'll then need to specify the kind of automation you're setting up. In this case, we'll select an automation for email. Manychat provides different automation templates and options based on your goals. By opting for an email-based automation, you're setting up a system to gather and manage email addresses efficiently. And there you have it, you've set up a basic email collection automation in Manychat. From here, you can tweak the automation to better fit your specific needs, such as adding messages or triggers to encourage users to submit their email addresses. Remember, the key to successful automation is testing and optimizing it based on real-world performance. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to explore the Manychat support options for more detailed information. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your email collection efforts on Manychat.